In one ear and out the other. Only Nikam Stereo can do this.
Tea, Sybil? Yes, thank you, Henrietta. Lemon? Thank you. It's been ages since I've last seen you, Sybil. You must tell me everything that's new with you and Aubrey, and don't leave anything out. Well, Aubrey's done extremely well. He now employs 500 people and is expanding his enterprise into 3 more states.
Fantastic.
We've just moved into a new home that costs $350,000.
Fantastic.
We have 4 in full-time help. 2 maids, a butler, and a gardener.
Fantastic.
And we have the darlingest 14-room winter home in Palm Beach.
Fantastic.
A villa in Cannes.
Fantastic.
And a condominium in Vail.
Fantastic.
Really, Henrietta, that is a most unusual bird you have there. What breed is it? Oh, that's a crunch bird. A crunch bird? Really? I always thought those birds said naughty words and did violent things. And this one seems so polite. Oh, well, this bird has just returned from school. School? Which school? CBSC. CBSC? I've never heard of that school. What do those initials stand for? Crunchbird School of Charm. Crunchbird School of Charm? And just what do all those little darlings learn there?
We learned to say fantastic instead of bullshit.